What's the meaning of clinometer? Clinometer. Clinometer.
Clinometer. Clinometer. A clinometer is an instrument used to measure angles of slope or inclination, often used in surveying, forestry, and construction. It typically consists of a graduated arc or circle with a weighted pendulum or spirit level attached that can be used to determine the angle of elevation or depression of an object relative to the observer. The result of using a clinometer is an accurate measurement of the gradient or angle of incline, which can be used to plan and design structures, assess land for development, and determine safe driving speeds on steep roads.